Okay, so we have a student here and she's done a really amazing job with this basket, and now the question is, how do we finish it? So the first thing you want to do is, you see the snake, right? This has a good enough length, but if, let's suppose it was too short here, she would then back up to right over here, rather than here, right over here, and what she can do is she can then fold this over like this, and what you're going to do is you're going to take the snake and you're going to carefully weave it back in, and you weave it in here like this. You just go right in here, right? And actually, wait a second, guys. You're going to weave right on top of it, sorry. Right on top of it like that. Then she's going to just follow that rod. So you can see she's weaving that right back in, and then again. And so what you're doing is you're just going to keep going until you feel that it reaches in here. And so she's just going to keep going in here, and then let's suppose at some point she keeps going and she stops right in there. She can cut it, then take a little bit of glue and hold it and have it glued into the basket right in here, glued onto another one of these rods. So what you're basically doing is you're weaving it back in, so it hides it. Now, what are we going to do with these sticks out here, right? Well, if this is under, then she's going to do the same thing. She's going to go ahead and, sometimes you have to do this so that way the stick softens up. She's going to go ahead and go over, under, over, and she's going to do that a few times. This also adds strength to the top part of the basket right in here, right? She's going to continue that and a little bit into here and then glue it, right? And she's going to continue weaving. But on these sticks where you see that it's out here, instead of doing that, because then you have this problem, you're going to go the other way. You're going to go this way and then weave it on the inside backwards, so she's going to go over, under, and this is how we will hide these rods, and it also adds strength to the basket. How far should she go? Maybe up to like right there, and then cut the rest off and then glue it, right? So she's going to go back in here, and then the next one as well, and then right here she's going to pull it out and then glue it right there. So what we have here is this right there. Then right here she'll put a little bit of glue, hold it, and then she's gonna cut it right there. Pow. Now that is how you're gonna do the rest of it. So again, if it's under the snake, going over. If it's over the snake, go down. So see here, we're going to go like this, and like that, and like that. And again, the snake that was here is going to go wrap around a rod and then be woven back in. And then that's it. And that's how you finish it off and strengthen the outer edge.